For over 15 years, the sun has been our constant partner. For over 15 years, we've turned its boundless energy into power, security, and independence for our community. Bright Solar Limited was founded on a simple idea. The future is bright, and it's powered by the sun. From the solar panels on a family home, to the vast arrays that power businesses, schools, and factories, solar is not one size fits all. And neither are we. We specialize in the entire spectrum, residential or commercial, big or small. Your vision is our blueprint. We listen, we assess, and we craft a package tailored specifically to your needs. 15 years of light. 15 years of power. 15 years of building a sustainable future, one unique installation at a time. We are Bright Solar Limited. Let's build your bright future now. Together.